friends and fam, welcome amazing humans. On this episode, we want to calculate 4,142 divided by 38. To do this, we change this horizontal division sentence into the standard algorithm. First, we draw the division bracket, then move 4,142 inside the bracket. This is the total we are dividing. Finally, move 38 to the left of the bracket. This is our divisor. The answer to our division will be written right here on top of the bracket. This is called the quotient. Let's look at the first digit of our number inside the house. Is this 4 big enough for 38 to fit inside? But in our case, we found that 38 is larger than 4. So we must take the next digit too. How many 38 are in 41? The answer is 1. Now multiply 1 by 38, which gives us 38. Draw line and subtract 41 minus 38, which leaves us with 3. Now we bring down the next digit 4, and this makes our new number 34. How many 38 are in 34? The answer is 0. Now multiply 0 by 38, which gives us 0. Draw line and subtract 34 minus 0, which leaves us with 34. Now we bring down the next digit 2, and this makes our new number 342. How many 38 are in 342? The answer is 9. Now multiply 9 by 38, which gives us 342. Draw line and subtract. The subtraction result is 0. The last result is 109. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the fun.